I'm Agopis, Mrs. Agopis.
Peace be unto you.
And unto Wazobia and onto our backyard.
Awesome.
Okay, on the 7th of October last year, 2023, on my way coming back from school, UNN, Soka, getting to Mowe for a trailer, Dangote trailer. I boarded Okesim bus. So getting to Mowe for Dangote trailer took one way and hit our bus. Unfortunately, I was badly damaged. My left arm was something else. It's not in good shape even as I speak. So right from that October 7th, I was taken to a nearby hospital where a first aid was given to me. The next day I was rushed to Lutz for proper treatment. So as they don't carry me go Lutz now, from that October 8th, I don't do 3 surgeries for this hand. Each of them cost 306,000. And anybody where don't go Lutz or anybody where get person for Lutz go know how far where Lutz be. Down to the needle, pin, razor blade, yes, you buy every single thing. Go buy and buy with your money. So those truck people, they have not responded. Initially, the case was taken to the courts. They offered 100,000 and say we could go.
Who offered 100,000? The truck people.
Yes, the truck people offered 100,000 that they should take me to local people for the bone because I break hand. Apart from my palm area where scatter, I break hand. So they say, we will go local house, go treat them. Say, they give us 100,000. But my husband and my brother no agree collect the money. He said, it's be 100,000. Say the damage pass 100,000. Then the Okesim motor I boarded, where I enter from Soka, the only thing where they give us say na 50,000. They say no be their fault. Say they did their own lane. Say now the truck people go carry one way, go and hit us. Say anything we want, we get to talk or to claim. Say we'll go meet the truck people. So since then the matter done they court. The court people, they know they talk anything. Every time my husband they go court, nothing they come out of it. Now, as it be like this, we don't spend up to 4 million naira. Because after they don't discharge me from Lutz, starting from January till now, every 2 weeks, I dey go clinic. And each clinic, I go pay consultation fee. Okay, since March now, the hand don't they bring out pause. Pause don't they come out since March. I know how many tests why I don't run. The last one why I do CT scan, angio, it costs us 120,000 naira. Now I will take Duam. So as it stands now, they say they need to come out the iron where they in my hand because now that my body no match with the iron. Now waiting make them
they react.
They react. Now waiting make them they bring out the pus where they bring and say if they no come out time, if they more infected, if infection enter and where say it go bad, it go worse. Say they need to do the surgery urgently. And as it stands now. Because money, we don't get money now, and we don't get people like we go fee help us reach to those truck people, follow them talk, make they come see person. Even when I dey hospital, they don't even agree come see me. Person where they wound, they tell them, so you can maybe we go see this girl where the hospital. They say no, say they no go fee go. They don't even come see me with their own kuro eye. So as it is now we make us say when we come meet Uwazobia, make them help us our backyard. Anyhow, where they go fee help us reach to them. Anyhow.
Okay. Because you also mentioned say your pikin been there with you.
Yes, I carry my 5-month-old baby, and that pikin he won't
inside that same bus. You know?
Inside that same bus, the boy won't smoke for back shaft on yash, but the thing don't heal.
Okay.
The boy dey okay
Thank
now.
God.
The boy dey okay now. So now me where they in pain since that October reach now. I know they fit do anything.
So when this accident happened, how many days, months, weeks you stay for hospital?
From October 7th to December 28th.
It was Dangote trailer that hit on the bus where my wife
They inside.
Okay. So when the thing happened, police can't call the man say, Oga, your trailer don't get because when the bus hit the trailer carry one way hit my wife. He hit the bus where my wife did. So the police come when the truck tried to escape, as God so kind, the trailer enter portal or drainage. So police go arrest the driver. They carry and go police station.
Okay, driver won't be run.
The driver be want to run. So they carry and go police station. So the oga of the truck come. Police come tell him, say, make he come see my wife for hospital. And also make he give us money more to treat my wife. For police station, then come tell us, say, he no get money. They ain't go give us 100,000. Because the 100,000 no go reach. We don't run the first surgery. We are going to the second surgery now. We don't spend plenty money for that first surgery. And that time, now, one of the implant we will buy, where they put for my wife hand was 70,000 for one times 4 or 5 where they use. Apart from the theater fee.
Yeah.
So all those
Consultation and
money,
the rest.
yes, we can't they pay, we do everything. The man can't say, "Mo carry my wife go where they go treat am for local way." And if go be no airport, we quickly wise carry my wife go loot her for cut my wife hand because of the damage of that hand. So we can't tell them say something will happen, not be just breaking of bone, but the fingers and also because na implant they use hold all these finger, all these finger been don't pull out from na skin just they hold them. So ever since then, those people know they no come call us, they no come hospital. I don't work out go my way tire. Even the IPO there, he go they tell me, go they scope me, I go they even they tip am with the hope say they go work, make something come out. At the end of the day, they can't release the truck, give the owner of the owner. They no give us 1 naira. Now we come Wazobia say, court don't fail us. Why I say Dangote truck be say the particulars of the vehicle carry Dangote. So, but the person where appear na Dangote cement dealer. So when I come meet, as the issue they happen like that, I come meet one guy where me know where they work for Dangote. I say, Oga, see what happen. The guy can't say yes. Now Dangote they buy the trucks, they come Nigeria. Now he go register the truck. He go carry and give to his dealer where they buy cement from and make they do their business. He say na so the matter be. Say all the truck where they for road where carry Dangote, not be Dangote, they manage them direct. Nah,
so they use the name
the
Dangote.
name, the company
so na private
name,
owners.
The owners, yes. See na so the team be.
Okay, so that means say no be Dangote directly.
If you go to system to check who owns the truck and the plane number, I go show say na Dangote. So for that man to come and say na him be the owner, na me no ITB. So but the particulars and the insurance of the vehicle register with Dangote name.
The transport company, sin, they talk say no be their fault. Say they on their right lane.
Yes.
Then the truck hits and they just give 50,000 out of sympathy.
Yes.
And since that time they never talk anything, never reach out again.
No at all.
Okay.
Which road that thing be happen again?
My way before.
Make you see the hand.
See the hand like this.
Like turn and well, make you see.
Careful. It be like a one finger don't come out.
Yes, one finger come out. Index finger.
The remaining finger it dey move.
I see they go physiotherapy for mobilization.
The nerve till they walk.
Small as if
if you use that hand now like carry something or do something, hold something.
No, not something where get weights. Na just small.
You dey feel am?
I dey feel am small. It dey pain me. I dey feel am.
Now your left or your right hand?
Na my left.
But normal na right hand they usually do things before.
Na my right hand.
Okay. Now you don't put Oga Matthew for work plenty. Now you go to wash, they cook, do everything.
Now me see
when I tell you, say they learn how to cook. Oh no, stop it, come on, sister mama.
But they should fit carry your baby, sha.
They use them.
Okay, in your honest opinion, you and your husband, what una feel say they right? Say suppose happen.
Okay. If now based on those trailer people, at least person won't wound person. And wound no be small wound. This kind wound where you don't disfigure person picking. Me we just finish school, we never even start life, we never know anything.
You just graduate,
they come back. Now school I stay born after the whole suffer right.
No, so you go do hookup or now school you go.
Now school I go. I don't graduate.
So they come back to your husband.
Yes. I they come back, make I come rest. Now this thing can't happen. And they no get human mind. Even to come see me for hospital had them. Okay, all these expenses, what we don't do like this, and we know as Nigeria be and as everything be for Nigeria.
What do you feel say they right? Justice, financially and everything. What do you feel say?
Yes, how much you feel say because 600,000 naira they small, of course it is small, but how much you feel say they right? So fine, I don't spend 4 million plus.
You learn the money.
We borrow. We are still even owing some people. We never pay finish. We they pay small. Even loot, even for loot.
We still they pay there.
Before when they discharge us, because my brother they work for college. So he help us write letter, made them discharge us. Every month we they drop 50K for loot accounts. We they drop money every month. Now so they pay the money small.
And we still they run other expenses.
And we still they do all that.
We still they go clinic. We still they do X-ray on the hand.
Physiotherapy and the rest.
Yes. We still they do physio. Those trailer people, they suppose they involved for these expenses.
I think Dangote people suppose also they involved?
Yes.
Okay.
They're supposed to even be the major people because now them take one way, hit us. Then the OKC people on their way, they go to say they get police or whatever. but that 50K no reach anything.
When you been go police, the relevant authority, they hold them accountable.
That's okay, sin.
Sin, they no hold them accountable because sin, then to the come police station, they demand say make the man buy their boss.
But because
There's again another case for
they
Ontop
get
the
another case with the man too.
So me waiting me see for this thing where you know right or where they supposed to. Sin as a big company, they have insurance. I believe say if they get damage on their vehicle on the business, they're supposed even if they give us money, go and treat yourself. They have to write their claims to their insurance. Insurance will pay them.
Waiting you want make it happen on top of this case.
Waiting I want make it happen. Be say Dangote, they don't violate the law. And see my wife's hand. She has lost one of her finger. The hand is not okay. So, and we need more money to go and do to remove the implant. We have spent over 4 point something million. And now we still want to go back to Lu to do another surgery. We don't have money. So Dangote should come to our rescue. He should come and he should give us money to do this thing. I don't want my wife's hands to go bad than this.
Okay. So, like how much you don't spend now? So far, so good.
It's
on top the surgery.
It's 4 point something because we have done 3 surgeries
on your own.
Yes, we have done 3 surgeries
without any support
from anybody.
And the people where they're responsible for this accident never support you,
even with 1 naira at all.
Okay, she been get 1 or 2 experience with Dangote having to affect 1 or 2 properties, and then we go like make she just take us through the process how they take recover waiting them then spoil that year. Madam Oboli, you're live with us.
Good morning.
Yes, Madam.
Good morning,
of time. Yes, Mama.
Everybody in the studio. Good morning, Nigerians.
Good morning.
Good morning, Abroadians. So quickly, what happened basically was that a Dangote driver, their very big motor, was coming towards their Greek road. It hit somebody on the road. And for fear of being lynched, he ran away into our own street. As he was running, because the street was just not too broad, he broke into somebody's house, a bungalow. And that was where the vehicle stopped. Everybody came out, we nabbed him and took him straight to the police station. Now, the recovery process is this. The documents, the way he hit the house on this street, we snapped it, took everything to the police station. And now we discovered that the police were willing to also support us, but they too wanted a share on what happened. So we threatened them with a court sanction. 1, we said we were going to defame Dangote's name, all over the social media and everything, if something was not done. Oga Papi, in less than 2 weeks, as I speak with you, that house is standing, in fact, more beautiful than it was. Honestly, beautiful, in fact, more than the way it was before. Not only that, they even did a fence around it. So Dangote is always scared when you say they will threaten them with court sanctions, they will destroy their name on all over the social media. And knowing that Wazobia FM is on this, if you go there with your crew, they will backtrack. Both Okesin and Dangote, I promise you, this woman and her family will be rewarded handsomely if you put your feet down for a compensation. Matters like this, because they feel they are untouchable, they're not going to do anything. But if you threaten them with court sanctions and you tell them that their name will go viral, I promise you, they will do something about it. That was how we got justice. Even the person that was hit on the road, they don't know where the motor enter, only for them to come and meet. So everything was taken care of. The family of the person that was hit, the house, everything. So you guys have to just put your foot down. But if this family go alone, there's power in the voice of the majority. If this family go alone, they will handle it. That was how we got justice on this street. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Clearly.
Thank you, Madam Oboli. Thank you so much for your input.
Well, thank you for the support and the love and dedication where you don't show for this for your wife and all of that. Especially when she dey hospital, even now the running around, I know say easy. Yeah, thank you for not giving up.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Thank
I
you
talk
for the
her
love.
off radio. I say the wife fine well, so you go.
Thank you for not giving up.
Thank you.
You're a good man. You deserve
Thank
an
you.
award.
Thank you, ma.
One of the
Thank
few good men out there. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
And now you can see now all men has come.
Not all men will stay in your white.
Yeah. At least Mr. Matthew is doing well. He's representing the gender very, very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it.
And also take care of our baby.
I will.
Divine.
Covenant.
See name. And you expect accident for where? You know, rich.
No rich. We bless God. We bless God.
Chook Mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.